What's up, guys? Taylor here. I am working on my work week for the Oregon scheduling laws, and I found a shortcut. I'm sure some of you guys have already found this, but this is going to save us a ton of time. So something to look at with the chart that I have here. I did make a couple changes. Added these boxes right here so that if there's any discrepancies or changes throughout the week, I can highlight it and then come down here and take notes based on pay type, hours, premium pay, things like that. I also added this out of stand section so that I can keep track of all my out of stand hours, all my assistant Michael's out of stand hours, the deposits, and then any other out of stand hours. I'm sure we all have out of stand hours, and so it's a lot easier to keep track of and kind of take report of and make changes if we need to, if you can see it in one place. So that's why I did that. Also, I made a little breakdown of where your hours are going percentage wise. This one's a little wonky because it's not completely filled out. This is just a template, but once you fill everything out, it'll show you out of stand hours, grave hours, morning hours, Sunday hours, Monday hours, Tuesday hours, things like that. And so I found that to be really helpful. But the big thing that I notice when doing this is it takes a ton of time to type every single name, edit any times that might have changed throughout the whole 2-week period. And so I found out that I was told that you can export your schedule on When I Work, right? So I go over here and find this little tool button on When I Work, go to export schedule. You can choose the dates that you want to export. You can choose the schedule. I chose Lloyd because that's where we're at, Lloyd Center. Positions, I want to do all of them, and then job site and employees, and you want to keep those open. But once you export this schedule, it opens up a tab. It's an Excel spreadsheet. So on this sheet, I have, starting at January 27th, all of the days, the times, and the people that are going to be working. It's all in an Excel spreadsheet. So all you have to do is, for example, I'll click on Sunday afternoon. Well, based on these times, I have Carl, Quinn, Jordan, Abby, and Shiana all working. So I'm going to highlight their times, copy it, and then simply go to the noon and paste. Oh, sorry. I'm going to paste their times in on there so that it fixed everything. So if someone came in at 11, it keeps track of that. They left at 4, it keeps track of that. You don't have to go in and change that every time. Now, instead of having to type everyone's names, I'm just going to go back here, copy all those people that work the noon, and paste it. So now I have all those people and their times in, and it took a matter of seconds, and you don't have to go back and check and see if you typed anything wrong. It's just already there. The times that they worked, how long they worked is all there, total hours, it's all kept track of. So that's a huge time saver for you when you're doing this Oregon scheduling law stuff. And then you can also you'll be able to see if you've labeled them in When I Work or whatever schedule you have to use. If you use When I Work, this is going to help you. If you don't, I don't know. But this is an out of stand hour, so I'm going to record that under I'm going to copy and paste it into my out of stand hour section. And then everything's categorized, everything's quick, copy and paste, no user error. If you have any feedback or anything that you notice, or if you have any ideas that could save us a ton of time on the Oregon scheduling law, please post it and let us know.